We found Georgetown, Indiana's dirtiest van, and we're gonna clean this for free. So let's go ahead and start by showing you what this interior actually looks like. I have no idea how long this is gonna take us to clean, but we have to get this done today. We have this car one day, that's it, and you can see that this thing is pretty dirty. This is probably our dirtiest vehicle that we have ever done, and this portion of the video you're seeing is actually from earlier in the week. The customer dropped it off and we had to reschedule it because we had to get all of their personal belongings out and we weren't going to do it, so they got all their personal belongings out, and we're going to start rocking and rolling on this thing and make it look amazing. Alright, so they've been working on this for 3 hours right now, and I'm dying to show you that, as well as something else that we're working on here that we love. This is one of our maintenance wash customers. They ceramic coated this thing, and it's absolutely amazing, but we'll check in on the van as well. So look at this right here. Yes, this is a 1934 replica Rolls-Royce hearse. Now, Gar Funeral Home, and I believe they're in Sellersburg, Indiana, is the one who has this, and they actually use it like every day. This isn't something that they do for show. This is literally every single day they use this. And look on the inside here. This looks absolutely amazing. You can see Connor's over there cleaning it and doing an amazing job. And the really cool thing about this is it actually has a Corvette LS3 engine in it. Woo! Look at that door. Oh my God. That door looks absolutely amazing. You guys probably remember what that looked like before. Looks like they're kind of getting to the first stages of cleaning stuff up. Still have a little bit of dirt to do down there and down there, but it's looking amazing so far. Just 3 hours into this, 2 guys working on this. So, and actually Brandon's not here, so we have a third guy working on it as well, but we'll say 2 guys working on this. So right now we've got 6 hours into it, 6 to 7 hour man hours into it, and this is what they've got. This is what people probably don't see or know much about details, is actually how much work goes into getting these cars looking near perfect. We're not gonna get this one completely near perfect. We're not gonna get this to 5 diamond status, because this was something that somebody won in a contest, and I may not run this contest ever again. We'll see what happens, because they're definitely putting this to us, and paid for a videographer today, and then also probably close to 27, 28 man hours, depending on who all works on this car today. Absolutely insane, but we're gonna get this looking very, very good. We're just not gonna have it completely 5 diamond status, but they're gonna be ecstatic when they pick this up. All right, and here we are back at the 6 hour mark. How's it coming along? Let's look at what it looks like. Woo! Look at those seats. That looks a little bit different. Cup holders. Wow. That looks amazing. Wow. Wow. That looks totally different. So at this point, we've got about 20 to 23 hours of work, man hours into it, and this is what it looks like. It's looking amazing. Remember all of that stuff that was down there? Like all those stuff that was like right there looks simply amazing. The door over here, I gotta check out this door one more time. You gotta look at this. This thing just looks absolutely Wow. Doing the engine bay, Connor?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah.
We weren't planning on doing that, but it's 5 diamond difference, isn't it?
Yeah. A little extra goes a long way.
Yep. Wheels not too bad. We had to kind of like stop working on the wheels. We did a van a couple months ago that cost over $2,000 to detail, and we made sure all that stuff got off, but that was like a crazy ordeal. Like on that particular van, we took the wheels off, and Jonathan actually did that, and he got them like perfect. It took, oh my God, what, 2 hours probably to do that after we had done everything we do. So 2 hours into making sure that is, and this is a free detail. I want to do a really good job for this person because they earned it, or they were rewarded it, but there's some point as a business standpoint that we have to like draw the line, and our name is on this, but this lady's going to be ecstatic. She's going to be super happy with this outcome. Promise you on that.